All right, so I've got the Solo Stove Mesa going, and I'm using wood chunks right now. I have very little trouble with wood chunks. It's a lot easier than with the pellets. They just burn, and you just add wood chunks, and it keeps burning, no problems. But, you know, a lot of people have talked about how the Mesa doesn't really put off a lot of heat. And I've seen a lot of heat deflectors for the Solo Stove bonfire, which I'm going to build later tonight or tomorrow with my brother builder Brandon's here. We're going to do that and make a video. But I found an easy way to make one for the Solo Stove Mesa. We've got the Mesa going with the heat deflector. Would you mind subscribing to my channel? I would really appreciate it. So what you want to do is get you a tomato cage from Lowe's or Home Depot or wherever. And they usually, you know, are long and they sit in the ground and you grow your tomatoes up through them. Well, they also make a good heat deflector. You turn them upside down, measure about 15 inches from the bottom all the way to the top, and then cut it off. And then you're going to measure down another 2 inches. That's where you're going to make your bend. So you're going to make your bend at about 13 inches on all three. And then you're going to set it over your Solo Stove Mesa. And then you get you a pizza pan from the dollar store, which are $1.25 now. There you go. There's you a quick and easy, less than, I don't know what a tomato cage runs nowadays. I had that one sitting in my backyard, so I've got $1.25 in this, but you probably have less than $6 in your heat deflector for your Solo Stove Mesa. And that'll heat up your whole table, and you will be warm all winter long. Hope you all like this. Be sure you subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.